how you communicate with engineers. You said white papers. Is there how do you go find them in your whole funnel?
Well, so we, boy, I'm just going to do a bunch of name dropping. We use Rep Fabric, which is a wonderful CRM tool. So we were able to go in and pull our engineering contacts or any contacts and by company and we have them categorized with whatever area they're in, automotive, medical, industrial. Yeah. And so we can send like targeted to them. What I learned early on, again, thanks to Graham Kilshaw, is we're not going to sell anything. We're going to solve a problem.
Yeah.
Because you know what? Everybody out there is selling something. And I remember years ago, I was in a sales meeting in distribution. And I asked my engineer, so what's keeping you up at night? And the rep that I was with at the time looked at me like I had two heads. And the engineer took a pause and he said, well, this, and he had the answer. I just had to ask it in a different way.
Yeah.
And so you ask them, what's keeping you up at night? Or what issues are you seeing? So TDK has a lot of products that are in the filtering arena. So if they're having noise problems, a few of our other lines, the same thing. And so we look at the customer, what they do, and then you say, okay, you try to think ahead. What type of problems could they possibly have? Yeah. And then we do that.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's clever. I do the same to see that. Okay. I was saying, maybe I would just say, what's happening right now, right? Because if you have something and you have all these solutions, right, but they're thinking their problem is something else, right, they won't listen at that moment. They will acknowledge that you're there, of course, right, but then later on when they have a problem you can help them with, or a product, right, that's where it can support them. But I think it's really because you're actually listening. Asking that question that you just said there is actually listening to what's going on in their world. So that's a good one. Use it every day.
Yeah.
No. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.